So guys, let's create a new project. Tab on top left corner, select the folder where you have your file. Suppose this one. Press next. Now we are inside our main project. Let's import our overlay video. For that, select the P player, photos, then the video. Resize and position it wherever you like. Now look for mask. Select the circular mask. Position it properly. Now duplicate the layer. Select the original clip. Replace. Photos. Stocks. Select the white background. Increase the size. Roughly try to position it behind the image. Then look for position. Adjust the position with the controller. After that, to change the color of the border, select color option and the color you want. And we are done. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.